And the race on Delightful Bell Pernicious Commodity down on the inside going time as CR Solemn Prayer Bartolina Rayo Body Shot. Delightful Bell followed by Pernicious Commodity is running by the rail going time. Rounding the far turn, Delightful Bell followed by Commodity. Pernicious from the outside, going time done on the inside. Alstrolam Prayer has C. Last 450, Delightful Bell Commodity. Going time, our solemn prayer. CM Pernicious as they raise the final corner. Delightful Bell Commodity, our solemn prayer. Going time, Pernicious. And nearing the finish line, Delightful Bell followed by our solemn prayer. But still Delightful Bell, our solemn prayer. And finally, Delightful Bell, our solemn prayer commodity going time Pernicious. Bartolina Hasi Rayo Badisha.